Hey guys, what's happening? It's Devin. Today's pike push-up and bicep curl day. So I'm going to try some decline deficit push-ups on these bars right here. So let's get into it. So that ends pike push-up day. I'm going to do my bicep curls later. And I also snuck in some Typewriters. I thought I would try those out and see if they irritated my elbows. And doing 10 in a row. So far so good. So thanks for joining me. And we'll see you next time. Peace.